There are so many women with whom you can sleep, and so few women with whom you can talk. The world breaks everyone, and afterward, some are strong at the broken places. The most painful thing is losing yourself in the process of loving someone too much and forgetting that you are special too. The rain will stop, the night will end, the hurt will fade. Hope is never so lost that it can't be found. Never delay kissing a pretty girl or opening a bottle of whiskey. Go all the way with it. Do not back off. For once, go all the goddamn way with what matters. Night is always darker before dawn. Life is the same, and hard times will pass. Everything will get better, and the sun will shine brighter than ever. Now is no time to think of what you do not have. Think of what you can do with what there is. We are all broken. That's how the light gets in. There is nothing noble in being superior to your fellow men. True nobility lies in being superior to your former self. The man who has begun to live more seriously within begins to live more simply without. Man is not made for defeat. A man can be destroyed but not defeated. Worry a little bit every day, and in a lifetime you will lose a couple of years. If something is wrong, fix it if you can. But train yourself not to worry. Worry never fixes anything. Every man's life ends the same way. It is only the details of how he lived and how he died that distinguish one man from another. The first and final thing you have to do in this world is to last it and not be smashed by it.